Okay, this is the 30th of December. So when this is uploaded, it's the 30th of December. I'm doing it on the 29th because I've got a lot of work to do tomorrow. This is a very special offer, very special. So I'm going to read it out to you. This is, what did we call this? We called it a crystal kit. Many people like crystals. So what I've done here is I'll read it to you. Orbiter Jasper, Black Moonstone, Labradorite, Lava, Rose Quartz, Green Moonstone, Tektite, Blue Iolite, Amazonite, Blue Apatite, Iuza Stone, and Blue Calcite. Wow. The total is 1,340. I'm going to do it for 500, including free DHL delivery. So 2 kits available. That's it. All right, enjoy. Really good offer.